I feature BSR changers on my Instagram channel, and I feature I think 2 BSRs on this channel, and they all have one thing in common: the flat 45 RPM adapter, the overarm that will stabilize the records and determine whether to play the next record or shut itself off. And while it's cool to have the stack and adapter, sometimes you just want to play one record in single play mode. However, because of the overarm, you will be restricted to semi-automatic play. So by the time the record ended, it would shut itself off unless you put the overarm in a different position, which would auto-repeat it. However, this is a BSR C-185, and you can see that there's a major difference here. It doesn't have an overarm, and the 45 RPM adapter is round. So let's see this unit in operation. And as you can see, butter smooth operation. with the 45 stacker without needing the overarm at all. And now let's show with LPs.
Summer's over, our love is over.
Unlike a traditional BSR changer with an overarm where the stacking spindle has a lever that's pulled from the side to drop the next record, it uses the overarm to stabilize the next record. On an umbrella spindle changer, since there's no overarm, instead the whole spindle manages that by itself. It pulls the lever from the bottom by the mechanism and drops the next record and stabilizes the next one to prepare it. And it is a lot easier to see with the LP stacking spindle. That's why they call it an umbrella spindle, because it almost looks like an umbrella. And now, this is a neat party trick. Being able to use it as a single play turntable while retaining full automatic functions, unlike the overarm changers. And here we go with an LP. And let's do the same thing with a 45. And as you can see, it works just like magic.